To auto scan when installing apps to check viruses and spyware in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find battery and device care. Tap battery and device care. Next, tap device protection. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon at the top right. And then select device protection setting. If this menu is still off, tap the on off switch until it turns blue to turn it on. And then tap the gray on off switch next to auto scan when installing apps to enable this option. A pop-up will appear to inform you that for your security, device protection will scan for issues each time you install a new app. However, this scan process may make app installation slower, but it allows you to block the installation of apps with security issue. To continue enabling this option, tap turn on. Now, auto scan when installing apps feature is on to let your phone automatically scan the app you are installing to check for viruses and spyware. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.